Right, let go. Pull that out. Get the inox.
Oh, here it is.
Right, squeeze the brakes back together. So make sure that's back where it needs to be. Screw that in because you shouldn't have that all the way out because it falls on the snap. It's a barrel adjuster, so it's like if you screw it out, it puts more tension on the brakes. That's all.
So we should ideally be.
Ideally, it should be all the way in. Right, squeeze that noodle together. So squeeze that together, put your noodle back in.
Go in.
Yeah. Make sure that sits in. Right, squeeze that brake now. Right. Moving a lot freer and nicer. 10mm spanner.